If you have just downloaded a movie or web series anywhere from the internet and looking for movie subtitles and watching it on your MX Player application, then I will show you how to download movie subtitles on your MX Player application and watch it. As you can see, I'm currently watching Aladdin Hollywood movie and going to download subtitles for it in MX Player application. Firstly, click on subtitles option. Then click on online subtitles. Click on search. Now you will see a get subtitles online pop-up. Tick the box. Enter your search text. Now you can see your movie file name. If it's accurate, click on OK to search, or remove the text and enter the name of the movie with release year and mention in the end. Click on OK to search for subtitles. Make sure to turn on your internet connection. As you can see, there are many subtitles available for my movie. Select any subtitles and click on download. Subtitles is currently downloading now. Now it's downloaded. Let's check the subtitles is working properly for the movie or not.
He's outside.
So it's just you and me down here and a monkey. That's your personal business, but we're gonna need to talk about that monkey later.
It's a pretty little monkey.
So you rub the lamp. Okay, but hey, do you mind if
So guys, you can see we have added a movie subtitle easily in MX Player in just a couple of minutes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a like, subscribe to the channel for more tech tricks, because our videos are always straight to the point.